Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to mute the Telegram call ringtone on your Android device. Whether you're in a meeting or just want some peace and quiet, muting the call ringtone can help you avoid distractions. Let's walk through the steps to turn off that sound for incoming calls. Step 1. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Next, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings to access your Telegram settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, tap on Notifications and Sounds. Step 5. Scroll down to the Calls section, then click on Ringtone. Step 6. Finally, from the list of ringtones, choose Silent. And just like that, you've muted the call ringtone on Telegram. Now, you won't hear any sound when receiving incoming calls, giving you more control over your notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.